everybody, so Beaton here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video, we will be looking at some relation function questions. So let's head straight into the first question. So the question says, we have a diagram and we have the function f. So we see x is mapped onto y and it undergoes this function. So which of the following statements best describes the function? So first of all, we see x is mapped onto y. So the thing should be y is equal to, or f of x is equal to. So let's see. We see this one is out because when this is mapped onto this, it will not give you x, it will give you a y value. So this one is out. So let's see this one, y is equal to 2x plus 1. So let's take the first one, which is 2. So we say y is equal to 2x plus 1. So let's substitute 2 inside of this function, because this is the function that you're talking about, and see if we will get 5. So y is equal to 2 times 2 plus 1. So 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So y is equal to 5. Let's see if it will work for the other one. So y is equal to 2 times 5 plus 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 would give you 11. So this does not work because it doesn't hold for this function. So let's move on to the next one. Let's say 3 minus x. So let's see, f of x. In this case, let's find for f of 2. Let's see if we put in 2 inside of this function, if we'll get 5. So 3 minus 2, that definitely will not give me 5. So this one is definitely out. So the answer should be D. So let's substitute D. So f of x is equal to x plus 3. So let's see, x plus 3. So we have x plus 3. So you'll have, let's put in 2 in the function. So this will be 2 plus 3 will give me 5. So that holds there. So let's try 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 will give me 8. So that holds again. 8 plus 3 would give me 11. 11 plus 3 would give me 14. So indeed this holds. So the answer is D. So the next question says, the range of f of x, which is equal to x to the third power, for the domain -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 is. So we want to know when we substitute these values into the function, which one of these we will get. So let's see, let's put in -2 in the function. So -2, instead of x cubed, we'll have -2 cubed, which would be -2 times -2 times -2. -2 times -2 is +4. +4 times -2 will give me a -8. So we see, just D alone, we can find a -8 inside. So our answer will be D by method of elimination. So the next one says, so we have a diagram. So the diagram represents the mapping. So we see 0 is mapped onto 1, 1 is mapped onto 2, 2 is mapped onto 4, and 3 is mapped onto 8. So let's see, the first one, x plus 2, 0 plus 2 will not give me 1, so that is out. Let's try x plus 1, 0 plus 1 will give me 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 will not give me 3, so that is out. So this one here is 2 to the x power. So let's see. So 2 to the 0 power would indeed give me 1. 2 to the, let's try this one, 2 to the first power would indeed give me 2. Let's try 2 to the second power. So 2 to the second power would indeed give me 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 to the third power would indeed give me 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is simply C, 2 to the x power. And the next one says, the inequality above is defined by, so we have here an open circle, and here we have an open circle. So this is telling us it is greater than -2, but less than 3. So it's not equal to, it's greater than alone, and less than alone, not equal to. So let's see which one has that. So this one is out because of this equal sign at the bottom here. This one is out because of this. We see this is out because of these two. Now, as long as the circle is not shaded, they cannot be the equal to sign. So we see the answer is D, because it's greater than -2, but less than 3. So the answer here is D. So the next one says, the arrow diagram above describes the relation. So we have an arrow diagram going on here. So let's see, we see this 2 goes on to the 8. We see this 3 maps on to the 9. We see this 4 maps on to 8. And also we see this 2 map onto 10. So let's see, x is less than y. X is less than y. That is not true. We see that is not true because all of these here, we can see it, they are less than this. So this should be mapped onto all of these numbers here. So this is not true. X is greater than y. That is definitely not true. We see all the numbers here. They're not greater than these numbers. X is a multiple of y. So let's see, x is a multiple of y. So we see the multiples of 8 would be 8, 16, and so on. So that is definitely not true. X is a factor of y. So let's see. 2 maps onto 8 is 2 a factor of 8, definitely. 2 maps onto 10 is 2 a factor of 10, definitely. 3 maps onto 9 is 3 a factor of 9, definitely. And 4 maps onto 8 is 4 a factor of 8, definitely. So the answer here is D. X is a factor of y. So with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. I trust that you have a good understanding of these kind of questions. And I want you to keep practicing these multiple choice type questions. And I'll see you in the next video in which I'll be exploring some more types of these questions. Until then, take care.